Please be good. All right, so I just got back from my trip and check out what was waiting for me. So this is the brand new Scandal from JPG. Got it on fragrancebuy.ca. On top of that though, they have this option where you can pay like $1 to like be greener or something like that. But in the process, it's your insurance and they'll send you a sample for free. They sent me Xerjoff La Capitale. So I got another sample of La Capitale. Again, great fragrance, love it a lot. Not gonna talk about this one today though. Today, it is all about this fragrance right here. I hear this is incredible. Can't wait to unbox it. This will be my first Scandal. So maybe I should have worded that better. Oh well, it's still my first JPG Scandal. So it's Absolu, it's a brand new one. Let's get on unboxing. Okay, let's see what this is like. Again, I like Les Parfums. I like most of the Scandals, to be honest. I never got them because I already have Stronger With You Leather, Stronger With You Intensely, and Zara the Most Wanted. This has a nice felt to it. I don't know if you can see that. It looks high class. Got the information back there. Top of it, you have Scandal on top. You got all the information I never look at on the bottom. Again, beautiful presentation. Love it. It's indented there. I'm gonna try and see if I can get it to focus. Again, it's my iPhone. It doesn't always like to focus. It likes to focus on me. So hopefully that's working. That is the presentation. Now let's open it up. Get to the whole point of this video. Why everyone is watching is for that right there. The fragrance. Ooh. I have not seen the bottle before. That is spectacular. I don't know if you can see, it's got a nice little gradient on the bottom where it goes clear on the top down to smoky on the bottom, but you can still kind of see through it if you tilt it. Again, I'm trying to show you the best I can. Again, it's shot on my iPhone, so we'll see. This crown is spectacular. This crown is like the most regal crown I've ever seen in my life. I love this. Okay, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter how awesome the packaging is, how beautiful the bottle and presentation is. It's how good does it smell. All right, I am clean. I'm just going straight skin. I'm not even gonna do the box. I was gonna do box and I thought, forget that. Look at that. Beautiful atomizer. Please be good. So it smells very similar to Le Male Parfum, which for everybody that follows this channel knows that is my favorite fragrance. Again, also made by JPG. You get similar DNA. It might be even closer to Elixir, where you have an enhanced vanilla. I can't tell if that's honey. There's something sweet in there I'm liking a lot. Oh, this is really good. Now, and again, this is all first impressions. I'm not sure about performance. Is this worth getting instead of Le Male Parfum, worth getting instead of Elixir? Or is it its own fragrance and all three are worth getting at the same time? Because in my opinion, Le Male Parfum is a must. The new one, Lover, is like a fresh version of Le Male Parfum, so that's a good one. Elixir is a great winter fragrance. It's a great one. So I think you can get all three. You have a nice summer one with Lover, winter one with Elixir, and Le Male Parfum for the rest of the year. The question is this a replacement for one of those, or is this a fragrance that works with the other ones and you want all four? So that'll be the real question. It doesn't feel as punchy as Elixir. Like whenever I have Elixir on, I feel like that fragrance just like hits you in the face, doesn't go away. It isn't a spray on and once it dries down, it goes a little bit softer. It's more of a, hey, I'm here for at least 4 to 6 hours. And then it almost dries down a little bit and you get a little bit more of a subtle, beautiful fragrance. And again, it has tobacco in it. So the tobacco really helps to elevate that for just, it's like performance. This one, on the other hand, I'd say it's closer to Le Male Parfum and Lover in the sense that you spray it on, heavy dose, heavy spray in your face. You're like, wow, this is powerful. I'm loving it. And then it quiets down a little bit. It becomes a little bit more classy, a little bit more sophisticated. It isn't a, an annoying 3-year-old, hey mom, look at me. It's more of a, look, I don't need to flex. I smell awesome. Oh, I can't wait. I might wear this tomorrow. I know it's gonna be the wrong temperature for this fragrance, but I don't care. I might do this as a scent of the day and see how it performs, see how it, just for a full wear, you know. Again, this is just one spray. Well, looked like more like 2 sprays on my left arm. It isn't a heavy wear. It isn't a, I get to experience this completely. It's more, bam, let's see what it smells like. So I'm super excited. Again, this bottle is incredible though. Like, for just packaging alone, this is a win. For initial scent, this is a win. Performance, please be a win. That's all I ask. I feel like I'm getting ready to start to do like a musical presentation, and it's like some like West Side Story style. Like, all I want is my fragrance to last. That'll be the name of the song. It smells so good. Again, very similar to Le Male Parfum style. It's very similar. I don't know if there's iris in it. I have not looked up any of the notes. I haven't looked up any of the reviews. I actually haven't even seen the bottle before. This is the first time seeing it. I know absolutely nothing about this fragrance until it just got put on my arm. So this is all complete initial impressions. It could dry down and change totally. I could wear it tomorrow and be like, whoa, what was I thinking? It smells nothing like that. No idea. I will definitely do follow-ups on this. I'm really liking it. It smells really good. Excited to test this out. I will do a follow-up in the near future. So again, thank you so much for subscribing. I couldn't do this without your support. Couldn't do this without your help. Again, it's because of you I'm able to do this. Love doing this. It's a lot of fun. Comment down below. Have you smelled this fragrance? Have you seen this fragrance? What are your thoughts on this fragrance? And heck, even just what do you think about the bottle design? Because this might be my favorite bottle now. This might overthrow every bottle. This is super classy, super cool. But what are your thoughts? Is it a good bottle, bad bottle? Comment down below as always. And thank you so much for watching this video. Talk to you in the near future.